Hi everyone! So today's video is all about coughing and sneezing etiquette. And why do I need to cover my sneeze? Achoo!
So according to the study, germs from your sneeze can travel over 75 miles per hour and can live for weeks on surfaces. By covering your nose or mouth the right way, you can reduce the spread of germs. When you feel a sneeze or cough developing, the best way to prevent the spread of germs is to grab a tissue and be sure to sneeze or cough into the tissue, dispose the tissue, and wash your hands with soap and water. If you cannot quickly find a tissue, the best thing to do is to sneeze into your elbow. Bend your arm and make sure you sneeze into and not over your elbow. Cough and sneeze. Elbow, please! Please sing with me if you know this song.